In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the virtual background feature in Zoom, a helpful trick to give your meetings a professional look or just add a touch of fun. Whether you want to appear like you're at the beach, in space, or just remove distractions in the background, virtual backgrounds are a fantastic tool. Let's dive in and get you started on setting this up. First things first, let's log into your Zoom account. Ensure that you have an account created and use your credentials to sign in through the Zoom website or application. By logging in, you'll be able to access all the necessary settings we're going to tweak in just a moment. Once you've logged in, navigate to the My Account section. You'll find this option usually at the top of your screen. From there, make your way to the Settings tab. Here is where all the magic happens. You can adjust a wide range of preferences, but today, our focus is solely on one exciting feature. Within the Settings menu, you'll want to locate and click on Meeting. This will open up additional options to explore. Under the Meeting section, head straight to In Meeting Advanced. This area houses a variety of advanced settings to enhance your Zoom experience. Scroll down or use the search function to find Virtual Backgrounds. Now, once you're on the right page, the key action is to simply toggle the virtual background option on. This might sound small, but it's crucial. This simple toggle allows your Zoom application to access and utilize virtual backgrounds. Make sure it's switched to the on position, indicating that you're ready to choose and apply backgrounds. After successfully toggling on the virtual backgrounds option, you can close the settings window. Now, every time you join a meeting, you'll see the virtual background option ready for you to use. When you are in a meeting, click on the small arrow next to Stop Video on the bottom icon panel and select Choose Virtual Background. You'll find a selection of options provided by Zoom, or you can upload your own image or video. This flexibility allows you to get creative, whether showcasing a serene nature scene for relaxation or a blurred office background for professionalism. And that's it. You've set up virtual backgrounds in Zoom. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your meetings, making you look polished and ready, no matter what's really going on behind the scenes. Remember, lighting and background color can affect how well your virtual background appears, so experiment with different environments to get the best results. Enjoy exploring and personalizing your virtual meeting space, and I hope this feature adds a bit more flair and function to your online interactions. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!